Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's short video I'm going to be giving out more sticker swap shoutouts and showing you guys some stuff that's came in the mail. But really cool stickers continue to come in, and I continue to send stickers out. As long as there are stickers coming in and mail calls coming in, I will continue to do shout out videos like this. Let's get started. And this is a woodworker who doesn't have formal stickers, but he sent me stickers from where he works, and his name is Jason Edwardson, and he creates the intros to all my videos with the nautical stuff and the pirate ship and all. So thank you for that, Jason. I know he's always shooting me new ideas, but really cool. I've done some woodwork for him, making him some keychains, but he sent me these two postcards where he works at the USS Indianapolis Museum. So that will be the sticker we put on the wall, and I will hang these postcards he sent me up in the shop somewhere with some thumbtacks, and he sent me his business card. So thank you so much for that, Jason. Really cool. Got a sticker that says Australia with a kangaroo on it, and please forgive me, I forgot who sent this. If whoever sent it to me is watching, please let me know down in the comments below, but I'll be adding this up. Mountain View Turning, really nice logo there with the mountainscape on it. Kind of looks like a fox, but really cool. Craftsman sent me a fan pack. I did not reach out to them, they reached out to me. People have been asking about the fan pack when I posted it on Instagram. They sent me a nice hoodie with the Craftsman logo and some tools on it. That has been washed and put in the closet for winter, but also in the fan pack was a tumbler, and these things keep drinks extremely ice cold. A Craftsman pin there with the logo, a hat, and you know I don't wear hats a lot. I do wear them when I'm mowing though, but really cool. An ultra deluxe 30-foot tape measure, and I love it that the numbers on it and measurements are nice and big and bold printed. And again, I did not reach out to them, they reached out to me. And they sent me a 95 years of greatness sticker for the Craftsman brand, and this will definitely go on the wall. Jimmy's Garage Stuff, Katy, Texas, established 2022. And Robert Boyce Wood Turning says he's on YouTube. Really cool. And the final thing I have to show you guys, I don't have a lot of stickers this time around, but I did have a lot of stuff, is Rustoleum. I did reach out to them. They began liking and commenting a lot of my work, and I just asked, do they send out fan packs? A couple days later in the mail, I had this Rustoleum knapsack in the mail with a bunch of goodies in it, and my favorite one so far is this Rustoleum pistol grip handle for spray cans, and it fits all kinds of spray paint cans that I've got around here. I've tried them. You guys know Rustoleum is my go-to paint and clear coat for all the projects I do, and I really love the pistol grip. Also in the knapsack was another hat. Got a collection going on now, but really cool. Love the dark navy blue color. A Rustoleum sticker, which is going on the wall. A thank you card for supporting everything. A Rustoleum tape measure. A pop socket with their logo on it. Goes on the back of cell phones. A magnetic clip. A can opener, or a bottle opener, excuse me. And a little jar of hand sanitizer. But really cool. I thought that was so kind of them, and all I did was ask them. But again, they had been liking a lot of my stuff, so I wanted to reach out to them. So I'm thankful for anything that anyone ever sends me. I'm humbled by all the kind words. Right now, let's get all of the stickers up on the sticker wall and continue on. And that is all the new stickers and mail calls that I've recently had. Again, if anyone wants to ever send me anything, my address is always linked below in the description box below all my videos, as well as ways to contact me. just feel free to reach out to me if you want to sticker swap and get an Artisan Pirate sticker, and I may include an Artisan Pirate wristband in with it. But please, I do this freely out of the goodness of my heart, and I hope everybody is too. It's a great way to network and communicate with the growing maker and community at large, but really, really cool. I've got friends from all over the world back here represented on this sticker swap sticker wall, and it is a wall of motivation for me when I look up to it, but really, really cool. I love to see it grow and fill up and add new panels. Hopefully, one day this whole back wall of the workshop will be nothing but stickers, but really, really cool. Again, if you want to sticker swap with me, just reach out to me. I'm easily accessible to find on social media, and just reach out to me and communicate with me. But really, really cool. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias as well as ways to contact me, as I said, will always be below in the description box below. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.